So I'm on a Seakeeper demo boat. What kind of boat is this?
27 Sea Hunt.
It's a 27 Sea Hunt, and it's equipped with the Seakeeper 1. And I was on this once at Miami about a year or so ago and had a real quick demo, but we're going to get a little bit more of a demo this time and see what it's all about. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Seakeeper guys are doing their job, getting it rocking. Oh my god.
All right, go ahead.
Flashing. And now it's turning it on?
And it's on.
Dude, so how does that work?
Works off angular momentum. It's a gyroscope. Spinning at 9,750 RPMs. Weighs 365 pounds. It draws about 17 amps, between 12 and 17 amps sitting here at the dock, depending on how hard it's working in the sea state.
So you guys have this set up obviously like a demo, but what if there was a Sea Hunt, you know, that wanted to add it to their boat? Like, what would they do?
Aftermarket additions could be, it's a lot more what the customer wants. So it could be down in the center console, could be in a bilge, could be on the deck like this. From the OEM level, if you were to order it from Sea Hunt, on the 30 Game Fish, it's not that exact model, but it actually is in the same spot.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
And what's the MSRP on the Seakeeper 1?
15,900 plus install, and every boat is different. Every boat builder is different, so that that number can fluctuate based on a lot of different things.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks for the demo.
No problem.
Let's get it rocking and good.
Somebody paying me for this? You will get paid?
Depends if you buy a Seakeeper or not.
Oh, then I get a discount. I'm gonna vomit in your boat.
Look at this guy. Gauge the Seakeeper.
Keep trying.
Pretty good, right?
Gosh, that's crazy.